bird rescue. Max the parrot, Dingbat Max. Got out a couple days, 3 days ago. We finally found him. A block over. He was in that gentleman's tree. Well, last night he was in that tree over there. You can see, let me zoom back in. That tree last night. And he flew over to that tree. And then he flew into that tree, second tree over. And then he flew out of that one. Now he's in this one. So we're kind of playing follow the jump the lead here. So I'll post all this in one big loop here in a little bit tomorrow. But anyway, let you know more later.
It's right behind you.
AJ's walking, or Max is walking towards
See if
AJ.
get on your shoulder.
There he is up there, guys. We might finally get a hold of Mr. Max. We're got a cage down here, a little plastic cage we're going to raise up to him. He's lowering the rope, Jesse.
I know, which side?
Take your glove off.
There he goes. He got.
That's half the battle.
That's half the battle. Now we can raise the cage up to you, AJ. Don't climb. Don't try and climb down with him, AJ. You'll lose him. Somebody knows.
Right in the pouch, AJ?
Probably not.
Will he stay on you?
Are you going to throw down the rope?
We finally got a hold of Mr. Max. He's on AJ's shoulder.
AJ, let down the rope. Right here. And pull it right up here. See the hole? Yeah.
Will you take off AJ's shoulder if he starts to move around too much?
Go slow. We don't want to spook him.
Talk to him, AJ.
Hey, we got it. We got the bird on AJ's shoulder. AJ's up in the tree right now.
AJ's playing Monkey Man.
We're trying to get the travel cage up to him because this tree that
It's not very.
Max flew from one tree to another after we got to him.
This is the fourth
And
tree
this
he's been
one-
in.
This is the fourth tree he's been in, but this one's easily climbable. So AJ's up about 35, 40 feet in the air right now. I'll send you pictures later.
Can you
But-
see your house from up there? I don't think so.
Max is on AJ's shoulder, and AJ's trying to toss the rope down to us so we can attach the cage. Hey, don't, yeah.
Did he bite you, AJ?
He's on his shoulder.
He's on the shoulder, so. Jesse, call your mother and tell him.
AJ, don't drop that one. Drop the whole bundle.
Yeah, hold on to the one end, drop the whole bundle.
Hold on to the one end and drop the whole bundle.
It'll unravel. There you go.
Shake it.
There you go.
Nice shot.
And we got the rope down here, guys. You dropped the rope.
In the car.
Oh, just tie it all on there.
Tie it all on there.
Well, I don't want to do that so it gets stuck.
There you go.
Jessica,
Yeah?
take everything out of it because he is not going to like this ride down.
Okay.
Leave the post in there. Just take the dishes out. I'll leave the bowls out.
It's going to be a bumpy ride down for him, I know it.
You ain't gonna like that. That's AJ. That's Jessica's brother. We finally got Max. And we're lowering the. We're gonna raise the. We're gonna send the box up. I'll probably post this part of the video. The ones I shot last night aren't worth shooting. They're too dark. You can't see anything anyway. I'm gonna pause here for a little bit. Let's get into the exciting part here. And then we got the neighbors out. A little way over there, and neighbors there, and how you doing, AJ?
You ready?
Yeah.
Take it out slow. I'm going to put him on my shoulder.
There goes the box. Max the rescue. I think I have Max back home. I thought he got ate by a dog. Who knows what could happen to him. Luckily, we got him back. He'll be squawking in my house again, maybe. There goes the cage. You might have to push that out with that pole, Jessica.
AJ has him. It's in the tree though.
Jessica?
So he has a really good
Question before you get that all the way up there.
Jessica?
I've got a barrel cooler that
Jessica!
fit in.
Yeah.
Get the pole there and push it around the branch. Right there. Oh, you got it?
Careful, AJ.
Okay, never mind, Jessica, you got it.
Yeah, he's not gonna like this.
So far. There goes AJ's box.
Yeah, AJ's right. He's not gonna like that.
Does he get hazard tape?
That's all right. At least it'll be secure.
He's not my employee.
He may bounce around.
That's his son, that one.
No, I would have climbed up there. I just weigh about 60 pounds more than he does.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not a tree climber. You never have been.
I can climb a
Glove
tree.
off. See if you can handle him better.
I can climb a tree though.
You know, that's what I like. All of us are experts down here.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
It's
We're
easier
all-
that way.
We're all experts down
We are
here.
now.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, why do you do it that way? That was
My
dumb.
resume.
Oh,
Good boy,
we
Max.
got him.
Max is in the cage, people.
Through that cage.
See, Gael, what you...
See, Max is in the cage. Max has been rescued.
Yeah, he's gonna hate this ride down.
I don't care.
He'll get over it. Won't you, Max?
Starting.
Good cage, Jesse. Oops, he's upset. Oh, jeez. You're hitting every branch on the way down, AJ.
No, he doesn't have really a lot of control.
Don't open that cage. He stays
Don't open, leave him in there.
in the house.
Hey, you dumb bird.
Mr. Max, you're back home, you dingy bird. You dingy bird, you know what you caused that boy? Oh,
Yeah.
we'll see you later, AJ.
We're gonna go get some pizza.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go to McDonald's and get biscuits, everybody.
Yeah, I just dropped the rope, AJ.
Okay, people, Max has been rescued. Oh, Jessica, take him across the street. He would love to see, the little boy across the street would love to see the bird.
Don't open that cage until we get inside.
Take him back across the street to the boy. Come on. Max has been rescued. That's Mr. Mark. Jessica's dad and AJ,
Logistics engineer.
little boy up there, just an engineer, and then my son. And we finally got Max back home after 3 days. He's probably hungry.
He's buying me lunch.
Jessica?
Yeah, Jess, you're buying me lunch.
Okay, guys. Come on down, AJ.
Holy.
So this is Steve, Greenway Outdoor Maintenance. We got the bird back after 3 days missing. I don't think my daughter-in-law will be taking him outside again to see anybody for a while. Anyway, y'all take it easy. Like, subscribe to my channel. Talk to y'all later. The bird has been rescued. Bye-bye.